Hello friends, welcome you all once again in lecture series Manufacturing Technology. I am Amit Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Suresh Kanviar University, Jaipur. Today is the 20th lecture of this series and the topic of today's lecture is magnetic plus forming. So today we are discussing about the magnetic plus forming and its advantages and disadvantages and the working principle of it. So the objective of this lecture is to allow increased ductility for several alloy because of the lack of stresses and friction which normally encountered with the processes. So today we are discussing about the how we can increase the ductility of several alloy and how we can increasing the ductility property as well as to decreasing the surface roughness or how to increase the stress resistance phenomena. So we are discussing about all these factors in the lecture. Outcomes in the case of outcome that we student will able to understand about magnetic plus forming give you the power to create a complex and detailed shape more efficient and with less steps and equipments. So when the system release its intense magnetic plus, the coil generates a magnetic field which is in turn accelerates the workpiece to hyper speed and onto the die. So these are some basic we are discussing at the end of the lecture. A student will be able to understand how the magnetic plus forming will work and what are the benefits of the how magnetic plus forming with the or how the can equipment will be useful for the magnetic plus forming if we are selected for that. So with the help of the magnetic field, with the help of the magnetic plus, we will be generating this type of field by the some magnitude with the help of the coil which we have generated for that. So these are some basic accelerators. These are the piece to be hyper speed and onto the die we have to generate it for that. So that time we have to introduce it. We have to idea that how we can induce and how we can fabricate this type of a metal when the system is released into the magnetic fields. So these all are the basically discussing about the magnetic plus forming. Now the term that is what is a magnetic plus forming. So that is the magnetic plus forming means to give you the power to create a complex and a detailed shape more efficiently with the less step and equipment. When the system release its intense magnetic plus and the coil regenerated and the magnetic field will be turned into the accelerated the workpiece to its hyper speed and onto the die. So what we are discussing about, we are discussing about some how we can generate the magnetic field. The magnetic field will be generated by the give that you have the power to be complex. So with the help of the magnetic field, so with the help of the magnetic field, it will be possible to generating the power and the complex and detailed shapes which have the efficiently, basically, more efficiently and with less step and equipment are used. So we have an idea that when the system release, then its intensity the magnetic plus, and when the coil generated, it has a magnetic field with a turn in the accelerated. So basically, what we do, we have to create a magnetic field, and at the help of the magnetic field, we have to create some zone and where to generate the magnetic effect of that to manufacture any product by the help of the magnetic plus that we can have to forming. It is the most efficient and we can say this very less step required for how to fabricate it, how we can maintain. So these are the some basic concept which we are adopted for the manufacturing of any product with the help of the magnetic forming. So this type we are created a lot of type of environment effect and we can say that the number of we can say more number of effect we have to be producing for that because we know that each and every time the material have to be fabricated by the help of the different type of technique. So different type of techniques that means it will be help to another. It will be help to use for the manufacturing of a material by this, and we have to create for the manufacturing effect. So this type we can say the manufacturing is now very popular and having the rapidly we use for the environment. So this time technique will be adopted for that how we can absorb. So we can say that the plus magnetic plus forming that is the electromagnetic forming we have to generate it and we have to create for that, and this is the we can say it has the electromagnetic form and processes with the capacitor blank and form the coil capacitor blank and the form coil which we can say the filter which we can change the filter shape and an electronically conductive workpiece to create the intense magnetic field that are used to do the useful work. So these are some criteria. These are some basically multi criteria which we have to use for selected that. Then we have to an idea how we can operate this type of panel. We have to creating by this panel with the help of this. So we have some regenerating type which we have to be operating for various areas. It can be applied at and this type of problem we have to induce for that. So these are the some basically advantages of magnetic field generating. How the magnetic field will be generated for this. So as we can say that the electromagnetic plus forming and use a capacitor bank for a we can say for a forming coil or the shield shaper and electrically conductive workpiece to create the instant magnetic field and that we can use to the useful work. So this vary the intensive magnetic field are produced by the discharge of a bank, or we can say that some discharge of a bank will be producing for that with the help of this that we emissive the magnetic field be created and producing by the discharge of a bank of a capacitor into the forming, and we can say that the inducing in the inductivity and workpiece that will is placed together and will close to the coil and they interact with them. So with the magnetic field to cause the mutual repulsion between the workpiece and the forming the coil. So that's why we can say the force of the repulsion is sufficient to the stresses, or we can say there's some stress of beyond to be have to be used for the yield strength as well as the resulting in a permanent deformation. So these all are the types of objective that we have to cover during the magnetic plus deforming, magnetic plus forming. So this magnetic plus forming is widely used for the because we have to do different type of advantages. So we have another one desired time that is the speed of the forming. We have to also calculate it with them. So for that, what we do the conductivity of the workpiece and the eddy current, which we have to interact it with the magnetic field of the coil, and what the result in a is a net pressure on the surface of the workpiece. So as the workpiece surface move inward under the influences of the pressure, so it absorbs the energy from the magnetic field. So we can say to apply the most of this. We can say most of this available energy to forming and to reduce the energy losses due to the premeditation of the workpiece material. So we have to understand that which wasted energy by the resistance, the heating, and the forming plus is kept with a shorter. So in most of the forming, the applications having the plus having the duration of between the 10 to 100 second. So these are the some basically the speed we have to be increasing or decreasing the magnetic forming which we are adopting in the magnetic field we have created. So the basic role that is we can say that is the conductivity of the workpiece and the eddy current which we have to then interacted with the generating the magnetic field of the coil and resulting in the net pressure on the surfaces of the workpiece to be have generated. So as the pressure surface moves inward and under the influence of the pressure, we have to consider that it absorbs the energy from the magnetic field and to apply most of the available energy to the forming. So as to reduce the energy due to the premeditation of the workpiece material, or we can say that the impulse must have to be kept shorter. So in most forming the applications, or we can say that the pulses we have a duration of between the 10 to the 100 second. So these are the basic the structure VPR adopted for the ignition. Second one that is deformation method. We have to find a description about the electromagnetic forming or the magnetic inner forming. So that for the EMF that been electromagnetic form or plug forming have to processes under a capacitor bank or we can say that the forming coil and the feeder is the shaper and the electrically conductive workpiece. So that's why we created the intensive magnetic field, and that have to use to be the useful the work, which we have to be very useful for the making the workpiece with the help of the magnetic forming plus forming. So this very intensive the magnetic field is produced by the discharge of the bank of the capacitor or into the formation coil. So last only a few microseconds, the resulting the eddy current that are induced in a detective workpieces. So that is placed close to the coil and then the interacted with the magnetic field to cause the mutual repulsion between the workpieces and the forming coil. And this force of the repulsion is sufficient to stress the work metal beyond its yield strength and resulting in a permanent deformation. So these are some basic advantages we have to be get via the description phenomena, descriptions of the working of the we can say working of electromagnetic forming. So these are some basically advantages and some disadvantages will be faces how we can do the operation. So it will be easy to understand, is it having a not difficult task to understand. So in case of magnetic forming, data can be used by the applying the three forming methods: the compression, expression, counter forming. This type of formation. So that means I said that the turbulent workpiece is compressed by an external coil and usually against the grooved countered insert. The plug tube and fitted inside the workpiece. So that way, in the turbulent, the workpiece is expanded by internal coil as shown in figure. So it when usually against a collar or other component surrounded workpiece. So these all are the some benefits will be get by the help of the electromagnetic forming and very the popular and very we can say that very easily to understand the working principle of that electromagnetic forming. That's why we can say that having the good property, good result will be produced, and each and every current data to be induced in an inductive workpiece that will be placed by the cross coil. So these are the basic functions which we have to be decided for that. So that's why we consider the processes is a primary applied. That we consider the forming or a good conductive material. So that way the copper, aluminium, silver, and low carbon steel that we have to be applied for that. And it can be also be used for the low poor conductivity stainless steel material having. So the efficiency of the magnetic plus forming depending upon the resistivity of the metal, resistivity of the metal being formed. And for the good resistance and sensitivity of the metal have to be found at that microstructure ohm. So these are the some benefits. So these are the some benefits will be get by the use of multi by the different objectives and what we are creating for that we have to understand all the factors with the which is good responsible for the manufacturing of this type. So at the time we have to understand this feature that is very easily to understand having the microstructure will be formed. So these are the some basic process description of that we have to understand. In case that is a magnetic plus forming, that is as you show in the diagram. That is what we do. As you show in the diagram, that what is the magnetic electric forming to be occur. It will be easily to understand, but it's not easily understand because we have to be a deal with the multiple objective and multiple criteria we have to select it for an high power requirement. So due to this high power requirement, we have to understand. Yeah, this type of technique is very helpful for that, and we have to create this type of example for to manufacture a system, and that's why we can say that here it is very commonly and the magnetic plus forming is to be induced. So for that we have to create a instant magnetic plus forming technique instead of that you have to apply for that material which we are using for that. So as you know that in the manufacturing technology, the magnetic plus forming and magnetic forming is very now very popular and easily to it not easily to understand when it's very difficult to have to understand and it is a very rare cases we have to use for that. So that's why we have to understand the quality and control, how we can manage the quality, how we can control the quality, and as well as to manage the procedure which we have to be adopted by them. So that's why we can say the magnetic electric forming are very popular. So you can see this diagram. You can see this diagram. This diagram shows that these are the circle, this is a coil, and this is a coil, and the coils we have to move surrounded by the circumference very fast, and how we can manage it will be during the plus that is the induced eddy current passes and the capacitor being discharge current are passed through in the point. So after that, you can find here that during the pulse and after the pulse, the diagram is to be changed because the structure of the material is to be changed completely and which are not used for rapidly after some time. That's why you can say the magnetic electric plus forming is very now popular theme and which you have to adapt it with industry for making the providing the new shape by the help of the magnetic plus forming, so which we are to be fabricated by them. So that's why we can say it have a very dangerous, but as well as to be very good technology adopted for nowadays recently to make the material with a desired shape and as well as what is small as a complex shape. So there are some magnetic plus forming which you have to during the plug, that is the eddy current forming and the electric forming. So that's why we can say the magnetic electric plus forming electric current will be passes to generate the magnetic field, which we are being the heating element we have to process, and due to the heating element we created the temperature very high, and after that we have to adopt the yes, this metal will be formed desired shape as per the requirement of what the dimension we have provided for that. So these are the some basically type of a magnetic plus forming we have to adapt it, and we have to be commonly used for that. So that's why it is very easiest, and we do not say that very hard or a rapid type of production we have to use. So that's why we consider this electromagnetic forming is very now very popular, and magnetic forming is very popular now recently in this session. So that's why it is the very important part of a process, and that's why the very important description we have. So the if we talking about that some the process description about the electromagnetic forming. So the process description that we can say that the process description that we can say that the electromagnetic forming use a capacitor bank and form a controlling cooling and a shelter we have to produce for that, and after that in electrically conductive workpiece to create the intensive magnetic field, and this magnetic field that we can say that are the useful for the workpiece and useful work we created, and this very intensive the magnetic field we have to use. That is the some objective we have to create it for that. That's the objective we have to decide. Yes, this term we have to use for the manufacturing this term. So that's why we can say that this very intensive magnetic field and or some producing by the discharging of bank of capacitors in the forming and coil test last of the forming microseconds. So these are the some results basically we have found for the marking of magnetic field forming, and the resultant that ADE current will be have to be passed and that are the induced in the conductive workpiece that is placed close to the coil and then interacted with the magnetic field, and due to the cause and we have to create for them. So these are the some basically advantages and disadvantages we have to find out. With the help of this, we have to creating such type of matter to be generated. So these are the some beneficial we will get with the help of the electromagnetic forming, or we can say the magnetic plus forming is very popular for nowadays. So these are the some basically role play, how to conduct the machinery, how to conduct the applications with the help of. So speed forming we can say the conducting this conducting of the workpiece. So this conducting of the workpiece we have to creating for that. That way we can say the forming of the speed. And the magnetic of the conductivity of the workpiece and the eddy current which interacted with the magnetic field of the coil resulted in a net pressure of the surface of the workpiece, as we can say as the workpiece surface is moved inwards under the influences of this pressure, and it absorbs the energy from the magnetic field and to apply the most of this available energy to be forming and to reduce the energy losses due to the fermentation of the workpiece and material, or we can say that the forming plus is kept short, and that's why the forming applications and plus 70 duration is between the 10 to the 100 second 100 of a second of a timing we have to use for that. So these are the some benefits, or we can say that some conditions may be having adopted for manufacturing the terms and related with this. So I think it is a simplest and a very fast method, very fast production having, and less time will required for that. So to apply the available energy to form the and to reduce the energy due to the fermentation of the workpiece material, basically. So this workpiece will be indicate that the forming plus or kept shortage. Most of the energy we have to convert it. It is not a simple task. But in most the forming application plus having the duration of 10 until 100 seconds provided. Now these are some basically structure. Some basic structure we have to create it then. Yes, it is very important for the point of view, or you do not have understand how we can do operate. For the formation of the method is very important. The formation pattern, that means the magnetic formation can usually be applied to three forming methods: compression, expansion, counter forming. And the first one in figure, that's in the other slide, we have to discuss it. And figure that we can see the figure 8 indicate that a tubular workpiece is compressed by an external coil, usually against a groove counters insert and plug tube and a fitting inside the workpiece. So a tubular workpiece is expanded by the internal coil as shown in the figure B, and usually the against the collar or the other components surrounded the workpiece plate stock most always counted form against a die as shown in figure C. So that's why the different type of material we having different type of standardization we have to conduct it out. We can operate it for the functioning material which we have to useful for that. So these all are the some formation we have method we have to organize. It is not a simple task, but it is very difficult because we generating the magnetic field between them. And we, if the magnetic field is not generated properly, then we do not give the shape and size as per the desirable condition. So there are some disadvantages will be find out by this. So after that, we have to create some distance between them for making the shape easily. So this shape will be provided by through a proper heating of element, and proper magnetic field will be generated at the between the places. So after it will be there will be induced such type of material we have to fabricate or to be design what we are doing, what we having the idea to be created for such type of metal we compressed it. So these all are the some parameter we have to discussing in that material we have to providing for that. So these are there are the some benefits will be get to find out by the help of the angular or find out the some description flats and almost the resulting data. So this we have to be understand the popular type. So we have to calculate this certain type of material, certain type of auxiliaries situations will be calculated for manufacturing the or the formation of the chip by the help of some. So as we change that is a part for this in this diagram. But what do we say? We are the saying that we're applying some eddy current basically. We have to apply some eddy current between this coil, and this eddy current will passes to the capacitor bank discharge current to be created for the design with shape as you mentioned this figure after the plus, and we can say that during the plus what we do at the difference between them. So this diagram will be help at doing with the help of the magnetic plus forming is very easily to understand and easily to fabricate with them. So these are the some basically advantages you can find out by helping the down which we are associated with the metal and the magnetic flux forming. So this magnetic flux forming is the system which we have to create it for easily. But the reason is that behind how we can do not easily fabricate because very risky. It is a risky that because we have to manage the current and maintain the current quantity, and we can say that it not to be easily operated by the any person. It will be if you want to work with the magnetic plus forming, that we have to any idea about the how much amount of current you have to require and what requirement of the supply of the material. So after that, you will be easily to have to maintain. So these are the some reasons why we can not having the part. So these are the some benefits. We have to find out the some benefits with them, and having the idea, having the criteria which were generated to be easily light and not. So with this, with respect to this, we have to an idea or to maintain this quality. So the department, so we can say that the magnetic plus basically. So if you want to doing any research, or we can say that any for function you have to operate in the machining time, and some magnetic formation of that is when in manufacturing time if you are working in the industry. If you are working in the industry, then you first to be aware that this technique is very popular and very fast production, but the dangerous to be how much current we have to idea. If you have properly knowledge about some as in DC current, then you have to easily operate for that, because it totally depending upon the what type of material be selected and what type of material having the capacity to conduct the material. So this all the type of criteria will be selected for to magnetic plus forming. So as we can say that the magnetic plus forming gives you the power to create a complex and detailed shape, more efficient, and a very less step and equipment. And when the system released, we can say it intensive the magnetic pulses and coil generate a magnetic field which in a turn accelerated the workpiece to hyper speed onto the die. So these are some benefits. Actually, these are some benefits will be faces to identify. These are the problem to be obtained with them. So these are some problem with them obtained. It is a criteria. It is just basically we have to adapt it. It's not easy to understand, but it is very difficult to maintain the conditions which we are using. So these are some benefits that we are facing. We have to find out, and it's not easy to understand what we are doing, how much amount of current we are producing for that, and such like that. So these all are these all are the reason why we are not having the idea to be calculated this. So the number of times required is 10 second to 100 second. It's depending upon the material having and depending upon the situation what we are type of shape we are providing for that purpose. It's totally depending upon that and having is easy to understand. So magnetic we can say magnetic plus forming gives you the power to create complex and detailed shape more efficiently and with less step and equipment. So when the system releases its intense magnetic pulse, the coil generates a magnetic field, which in turn accelerates the workpiece and to hyper the speed onto the die. So that's why we can say it is very commonly popular and now it's very easy to understand this principle because many type of operators have to be created for doing the working and the magnetic plus forming. So that's why we can say it is very commonly typed and it's easy to understand. But it very the reason is that in behind to use that you have a must be idea about the current or some magnetic field what we have to absorb. So hyper speed if you want to enter to the workpiece, first of all we know that the magnetic field of the workpiece. If the how much amount of carbon is generated, how much carbon is presented in the workpiece. So these all the factor, these all the terms we have to use for it. These all the terms we have to calculate. Otherwise, what we do, what will happen that the material will be destroyed, or it will not easily affected. So that's why we can say it has been the good quality control and the good material we have. So it is either be absorbed, it is either be used, it will be used for that and having the material to be easily find. That's why we have to calculate it very easily, which we are operating the machine. In the case of the magnetic plus forming. So these are some reasons why magnetic plus forming we have selected for. So you can see the diagram, the project descriptions. If you are just find a project description, that means the formatting matters. So you can find in figure that the workpiece, the first figure A, the first figure A shows that a tubular workpiece is compressed by external coil, which is usually against a groove counted inside. Second, basically usually against a collar or other component surrounding the workpiece. A fluid stroke is almost always countered from against a die as shown in figure. So these are the some basically plan having to make a design consider which we have to select by the proper dimensioning and to be created for the magnetic plus forming to be used for them. So as you see in the figure that the A is equal to workpiece to be placed here and to make the generate the coil between them and make a pressure on playing on the workpiece in up and down direction both, and you can create this type of shape by the final. You can get this type of shape in the outer side. So these are the some basically the A point and B and C are three type of design you want to fabricate with the help of the magnetic plus forming by applying some pressure on the up and down the upper section and the lower section, and between this the workpiece is to be placed and having the stresses, and we convert it to such type of shape we providing to the work die, and it will be converted completely, and you can finally find the shape by this. So these are the some basically examples and applications of the magnetic plus forming. For that it will have be very used rapidly, and nowadays and generally we have to use for that. So these are the some basically these are the some basically advantages. These are the some basic advantages of a magnetic plus forming which we have adopted. Now we can say that it is not easy, but we can say that yes, it is not easy, but we have taken difficulty for that. Also difficult. Yes, it is not easy, but it is not also difficult because we have to know that some responsibility, that is some response parameter. That means for how much amount of current we are producing, how much amount of AC current we have to reduce that to be effect of the pressure on the workpiece to be generated this coil. So this is totally depending upon the serval criteria, serval machining parameters. So after that will be absorbing that. So it is very commonly used and having the easy to understand for that particular material. Now that is another one, that is object we can say workpiece is very popular, and it's very easy to understand. So that's why the cutting penalty, that is cutting velocity fine. The kind die will be applied for that, and having that easy to operate, and that workpiece will be calculated. To be what pressure we applied on the workpiece and what pressure we have to need it for the workpiece. So these all are the some benefits will be get by the help of subsection. So these are the some terms we have to adopt it to be used by the machines parameter. Now we have to adopt this type of parameter also by applying the some conditions which we adopted, like easy to understand, having the parameter of oil. So this process is primarily adopted in the forming of the good conductive material. We can say such as the aluminium, silver, low carbon steel, medium carbon steels, and it can also be used to form a poor conductor like stainless steel. So the efficiency of the magnetic plus forming depending upon the resistivity of the metal being formed. So for the good resistance, the resistivity of the material should be less than the 15th micro-ohm centimeter. So it's totally different to each other. So that's why we consider the process, the primary, the processes is the primary applied to the forming of good conductive materials such as the copper, aluminium, silver, and the low carbon steel. So it is caused. It is just we can say that it can be also be caused to form in a poor conductor, and like the stainless steel. So we can say that the efficiency of the magnetic plus and the deformation upon the resistivity. So resistivity is the main important factor that we have the metal will be depending on them, how much the quantity of the metal will deformed and easy to understand. So these are the some parameter which we are observing for to make a good resistivity of the material. Should be the less than the 15 microns centimeter. So these are the some standard parameter. These are the some standard parameter that we can say that yes, it is the type of applying we have to use for that and having the criteria. So we can say that this process is the primary and applied in the forming of the good conductive materials such as the copper, aluminium, silver, and low carbon steel. So which is beneficial for that. So it can also be used to form a poor conductor like stainless steel, and having the quantity, that is the efficiency of to be produced by them. So each and every machine having the different efficiency, different cutting parameters which we are responsible for the factor. So which have to be identified. Yeah, this is a very common factor which we use for that, and which is not common factor which were not affected for that parameter to the resistivity of the material, because during what type of shape you have to fabricate, what type of shape you want to give, depending upon the material. So for example, that the copper, aluminum, silver, and the low carbon steel material is used for the forming for a good conductive material is basically used. But in case that some like poor conductive material, that is stainless steel. So if you select it as stainless steel, that we can say it is not useful. So stainless steel is not useful for that. It has not beneficial. Basically. It is used. It is not used for that. So the efficiency of the magnetic flux forming depending upon the resistance of the metal being formed, and for good resistivity the resistance of the metal to be less than. So these are the some benefits, there are some advantages we have to find out. We have to got some benefits with the different type of material having, different type of conditions we having, all the factors we are responsible to understand the good good magnetic plus forming working. So these are the some basically working on the magnetic plus forming for the good resistance and resistivity of the material. That's why we can say that is the intensity, that is 15 micro ohm centimeters we use. So with the help, I understand that you have to understand all the parameters which are affected by that. So these all the conditions which we use for magnetic effective forming, and the lesser the number of material, lesser the number of quantity, high the production will be have. So what are the applications and limitations? That is, it give a high rate of production. That it will give the high rate of production. The first of all, the advantage that is it will provide the high rate of production, which is most important. Second one is it gives we can say non-contact. Unlike the other mechanical processes in which a tool contact a workpiece in EMF, and the magnetic field that apply the pressure require no lubrication, no leave tool mark, and therefore they require the no cleanup after a formation. So one exception that does not require the lubrication in when the workpiece is driven against a mandrel and then removed. So that's why we can say the third, it is a spring back. So the material is loaded into that plastic diffusion and resulting in the permanent deformation, and so that the spring back. Okay, so that is spring back, that means often the associated with the mechanical processes is virtually eliminated because there is no mechanical contact with them. So if we can consider the strength joint made, the processes are typically stronger than the parent material. And the EMF processes allow the increase in the ductility for the certain aluminum alloy. So because of this and the lack of the mechanical stresses and friction, normal to the encounter with the mechanical process. So these are the some benefits. Basically, these are the some benefits will we have to taken for the manufacturing of a product by the help of magnetic plus forming. So it will get it will we can say that the spring bed, the material is loaded into the plastic resin, resulting in permanent deformation. So that the plastic spring back often the association with the mechanical processes and virtual we can say eliminated, or because of there is no mechanical contact with them, so the strength joining or made by the processes are typically stronger than the parent material. So that's why we can say the magnetic electromagnetic forming or magnetic plus forming processes allow increase in the ductility basically for in certain the aluminum alloy, because of it the lack of the mechanical stresses and friction normally encountered with the mechanical processes. So there are some advantages. That's why we choose that this process is very helpful, because it has several advantages. Because this process having several advantages that we have to select for that. So we have to create a path to understand that how to use it, and we have to maintain the quality. So we have to create all the terms which related for that manufacturing material for that quantity. So as the time that we can say that material having the good quality of product which we fabricated by manufacturing a material to be easily counted and not be easy to understand. That's why we can say it will be give a high production rate and a high quality will be applied for that as it do not that. General limitation, that is the general speed, we can say the general the speed of the joining or formation also represent one of the limitation of the process, because forming takes place in such a short period. The material does not lead itself to deep drawing of material, and the processes is also limited to those material that are electrically conductive material with an electrically resistance of 15 0.15 micron ohm meter or less or ideal candidates for the processes, including with the process group, such as the material like the copper, aluminum, brass, and the mild steel. So these are some general limitations we have to identify for that electromagnetic plus forming. Now pressure limit, that is the maximum pressure that can be applied by the standard compressive coil, is approximation 340 megapascal. And thus the process is restricted to relative thin, that is a wall tube or sheet process product. So that's why we consider production application, that is the electromagnetic forming is chiefly used to expand, compress, or for tubular shape. So it is occasionally used to flat form flat sheet, and it is often used to combine the several form of the assembly operation into a single step. So these are some basically benefits will we have to get with the help of the material. So the magnetic forming is to be very useful for that, and this have to magnetic we have to use for that. So magnetic forming is very cheap and used to be used and compressively, or it is very occasionally used to perform and flat sheet, and it often to use to combine the several the forming and assembly operated area, which we have to be reducing the material. Diametral, that is the die used in the electromagnetic process, should be made up of low electric conductivity to minimize the magnetic clash effect, and die are generally made up of the materials, that is steel of epoxy resin. The steel is a die having a longer life, and but the disadvantage of the steel die is that the magnetic clash on the effect is not the entire prevented. So air is often evacuated from the die to ensure the good reproduction of the detail and prevent the distortion and caused by the interrupted air, which is particularly likely to occur with the thin gauges and the material. So these are some basically advantages we'll be producing, which we have to find out with the help of it. So these are some advantages we'll be doing this. So at the end of the, I'm just asking some question to electromagnetic forming. That is, first is which of the forming is not used in the electromagnetic forming process. First, a capacitor blank, B, a forming coil, C, a folded stepper, and stiffer rim. That the answer, that is a D. That is stiffer rim is not the part of the electromagnetic forming process. Second, which of the following is not true about the electromagnetic forming? That is, intensity electric field is produced using capacitor and coil. Second, heavy current is made to flow through the workpiece. See, intensive magnetic field is produced for the few seconds, microseconds, and D is the principle of the magnetic field introduced is used to preheat the workpiece. That is C. Third is for electromagnetic process, resistivity to the workpiece material should be. The options are A, greater than the 10 micron centimeter, less than 8 micron ohm centimeter, less than 15 micron centimeter, and in the range of 10 to 20 micron centimeter. Answer is C. Fourth, that is which of the following is not true about electric forming? That is a leaf tool mark. B, does not require lubrication. C, does not require any clean lamp. Or D, it is the primary applied in the form of the good conductive material. That is A, the answer. Fifth is that the maximum pressure applied by the compression coil is approximation. The options are A, 300 megapascal, B, 340 megapascal, C, 375 megapascal, and D, that is 400 megapascal. So the answer, that is B, 340 megapascal is required. Sixth is that the die used in the electromagnetic process should be the made up of material with the options are A, high electrical conductivity, low electrical conductivity, low ductility, high creep resistance. That the answer, that is B, that is low electrical conductivity is the useful. Seventh question, that is the electromagnetic forming processes allow increases ductility for the dash alloy. A is equal to chromium molybdenum, B aluminium, C nickel, and D chromium magnesium. So the correct answer, that is B, that is the electromagnetic forming process allows increased ductility for the aluminium alloy. Eighth is electromagnetic forming is a primary used for which of the following material? Options are A, silver, B, high carbon steel, C, chromium alloy, D, martensite steel. The answer is silver. Ninth question, that is a tool for tooling for the electromagnetic process is relatively expensive. The options are A is a true and B is a false. So the correct answer, that is A. Yes, A is the true for tooling for electronic process is relatively inexpensive. And the last question 10, that is the in electromotive forming process, the eddy current are induced in a conductive workpiece. Options are A true, B false, and the answer that is A is true. Okay. Now end of the lecture answer, recommend some books to understand the manufacturing technology series, that is Principle of Manufacturing Material and Process by James and Campbell. Tata Magri publisher, Manufacturing Technology, Foundry Forming Welding by M.J. Rao. Tata Magri publisher, Production Engineering Science by P.C. Pandey and C.K. Singh by Standard publisher. Manufacturing Technology by R.K. Rajput by Lakshmi Publications. And the Manufacturing Technology, that is by P.N. Rao from the we can say from the Tata Magri Publication. So these all the books are recommended for the lecture series of manufacturing technology. You will be also basically you will prepare the manufacturing technology second number book, that is the Foundry Forming and Welding written by the M.J. Rao, and the Tata McGill publication which is very popular for the basically the welding, forming, and foundry operations. So that's why I think I hope you enjoy the video, and if you doubt any query, you will be asked me on drop me on my mobile email ID or my email, that is amit.tiwari@mynet.com, and you will be contact me on my mobile number also, that is 869031 94448. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much.